In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 body waves you need for your Bachata Sensual to make your dance more dynamic. Let's go! Alright, let's start with the first body wave, which is the frontal body wave. I'm going to do it a little bit diagonal so you can see the movement better. Now you start and open your legs a little bit and your feet are turned outwards. Now you bring your weight to the front and you open your chest like this. Now in this position you bring your weight back on the left leg and you close your rib cage and then you relax your knees and your body gets into a straight line. Let's do it again. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, we are going to do a reverse body wave. So we go in a little bit into the knees with a pendulum and we bring our hips forward. Now we're in a straight line here, and now step by step you bring your upper body to the front, you push your weight again back, and we close here on 8. Let's do it fluently together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again from this point of view. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa. Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa.
Okay, let's get to the second one, the lateral wave, side wave. We start in this position, so we open and breathe in here in this side. We bring our upper body up, and now we start going diagonal with our upper body here. The hip stays at first, and now we bring our weight to the left leg, and our hip can relax. We bend our knees, and here we get straight again with our body. Now for the reverse, we also use our knees again a little bit. First the hip goes up, and when we start straighten our hip, our upper body pulls to the other side. We push our weight back and we close again here on 8. Let's do it again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. I'm going to show you from the other side. Let's go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa. Se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa. Que porque un hombre le...
So the third wave is a combination of the first and the second one. So we are going to start in a side wave and then we rotate our body and end in the normal wave, and we do the same in the reverse. Let me show. We are going on 1 up in the lateral wave, and now on 2 we start rotating our upper body and we go down like this and we end up in the frontal wave. For the reverse, we go with our knees up and already pull our hip to the side into the lateral wave, push on the floor to get back to the side. Let's do it a little bit faster, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to show you from the other side. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch our other videos. They will help you as well to improve your dance. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!